Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I will be putting a lot more recipes, so let's get started. So this is the type of shrimp that I typically use, and it's the medium size, usually fresh. And I'm going to be using one guajillo pepper, dried pepper, and a few chile de árbol, some onion and some garlic. And this is a method that I use to cut the shrimp in the butterfly shape, but you could also do it, you can just lift it up and just do it whichever way you feel comfortable. And I just do certain things certain ways just because I'm so prone to getting cut or something's always happening to me. So yeah, that's pretty much what. And then I remove that little gut. I don't like it. It just has a nasty texture. I mean, you're not gonna die or anything if you eat it, but you know what I mean. It's just not pleasant to look at. But anyway, big thanks to everyone that has subscribed recently. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I'm at 141. Like every other day I've been seeing my subscriber count go up, so I'm very appreciative of that and thank you so much. Also, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. I love feedback, so thank you. So here I am just putting in everything together. I added some salt, and then I added a little bit of cumin, just some ground cumin, also some chicken bouillon, my favorite condiment, black pepper, of course. For some spice, I just added a little bit of red crushed pepper, just because I didn't want to be too spicy, but you could always add as much as you like, and you can also replace the peppers for something spicier. You could go with chipotle, literally any red pepper. I'm actually just using these peppers just for color. And then the spice, like I said, the red pepper. But this is going to be sour cream and mayo. I don't like to use a lot of sour cream because it is sour cream. So I prefer to go with the mayo. And I've never made this way, so I didn't want it to stick to the foil. So yeah, I just sprayed some olive oil on there, and then I just set them up on the rack. And it's actually like a pancake griddle type of thing that I just covered with foil, and you can do it on anything, literally, like on a baking sheet, literally anything that's just flat out like that. Or I mean, it doesn't even have to be flat out. You know what I'm talking about, you know. I just liked the way that they looked, and then, you know, for presentation purposes as well. So now I'm just adding the sauce, which is the mayonnaise, the little mix of everything. And yeah, I just spread it over the shrimp that, of course, it already is all cut up in a butterfly shape. And I know it was a pound of shrimp. I did not actually use the entire pound of shrimp. This is about half a pound. You know, it was just a snack for the purpose of this video, and the rest I actually made it the next day, and I already have a video up, and I will link it in the description below. It is a really super easy snack recipe. So yeah, anyway, check it out. So I'm just cutting up some green onions here for some garnish. Also, they are really strong and they give a lot of flavor. But it was mostly because I just wanted to garnish it, give some color on there, some green color, and I will be putting them into the oven right after this. Look how pretty that looks. I mean, I think it looks cool. Anyway, so yeah, putting it in, and I actually preheated this to 200. Then I put it up a little more just because I thought about it a second time. So I put it in for 350, and I left it in for about 15 to 20 minutes or so, just because, you know, it's shrimp. It doesn't take that long to cook. And yeah, they came out perfect. So also, you know, it just depends. You know, you can just keep an eye on it. And like I said, this was the first time I made them in the oven. But anyway, so I cut my cucumber and I just took out everything in the middle, the seeds, and I did this peeling every half inch, and then I left some green of the peel, just, you know, for looks. Here's the sauce, and I just made a quick white rice. It's just a steamed rice, and I add a little bit of butter on it, and bam, delicious. So, the setup was pretty easy. I didn't know how I was gonna put it together, but I kind of just thought about it as I was doing it. You can always make it look even better. That's just how it came out for me, and now that I think about it, I should have made more sauce and just kind of drizzled some more. But you know what? Things happen. So anyway. Yeah, it wasn't that hard to do, but it did, it's a little time consuming, I would say that, just to make it look decent. But yeah, anyway, so I added some lime, or you can add lemon, literally whichever you prefer. You can add the sauce, more sauce, but I was already gonna dip this in, and I was just gonna share it with one more person, so that's a perfect size for me, at least. And it was just a snack, and look at that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, also wanted to invite you guys to go check out my Instagram account, which is at Marbz Cooks, and I will be putting these videos up on there on the reels, so go ahead and check them out. Hope you guys can share this with your friends, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Don't forget to follow.